Nancy here, Modern Day Pilgrim. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Here we are in Topinabee, Michigan. It's where we have our cabin, and this is my granddaughter, Clém. Say hello. What are we getting ready to do, Clem?
Go on a motorcycle.
We're going motorcycle riding. So we are gonna travel our trails. We got a few acres around here, and we're gonna see out there. Catch you in a minute. All right, here we are out in the woods, riding around. We already came upon one broken down tree branch that we had to try to get over. You having fun, Clem? Yeah? All right, we'll catch you in a minute. A few more minutes.
Mom, are you driving? Yeah. Steering?
Well, we came across this. Looks like a little black cave. We're gonna see if we can't break it, move it, or go around it. Clem, what do you think we should do?
Well, I think we should go the way that we came from.
We should go back the way we came. Probably a good idea. Reason being is we have fallen trees pretty much everywhere.
Ooh, I'm not going fast when you're not looking.
So Clem, how was your motorcycle ride?
Good, but
There was a tree in the way, but we had a good time, didn't we?
Yes.
And how did we have to get out of the woods? What did we have to do?
We had to go the same way that we came.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. And that's what we did. And then we came back, and now we're gonna clean up all these leaves.
And the sticks.
And the sticks. And Clemence is my best helper. Show me your cool new gloves. Now those are awesome. Where'd you get those?
From my Nina, the camper that saved everything.
All right, see you later.
Bye!
What do you think of our job here, Clem?
Yeah.
Looks really good. Well done. All the leaves.